doing well. Yes, I'm Priya Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of Physical Academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today my topic is divide a fraction and mix number by a whole number. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to divide a fraction, proper and improper fraction, and mix number by a whole number. Remember one thing. This one is division symbol. So division symbol is this one because one straight line and then two dots up and down. So this is the division symbol, and we are going to change whenever we are going to change the symbol. When we divide fraction, we actually turn the division problem into a multiplication problem by turning the divisor upside down, or you can say in other words, switching its numerator with its denominator and changing the division symbol to a multiplication symbol at the same time. So for dividing two fractions, let's solve one example. Solve and simplify the answer to the lowest form. Whenever we have written simplify the answer to the lowest form, or if there is not written, so you are going to simplify the answer to be perfect mathematician. Okay, so right now the question is 16 whole 1 by 2 divided by division symbol, then the number 3. Okay, so the first thing which I told you is whenever we are going to change this division symbol into multiplication symbol, the second fraction will change its numerator into denominator or denominator into numerator, like this. Okay, do it and just check the next step. First step will be we are going to write down the whole number into fraction and this 16 whole 1 by 2 into a improper fraction. So my first step is this: 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. So 33 by 2 is the improper fraction. Then division symbol, then we can write a whole number into a fraction form. And how comes? Yes, like this: 3 by 1. Okay, this is the fractional form of a whole number. So right now we are going to change the division symbol and change the numerator of the second fraction into the denominator and denominator into numerator. Okay, as I told you earlier. So right now what to do? 33 by 2 multiplied by multiplication symbol and then numerator, which is, so right now we are going to have multiplication symbol, then 1 over 3. This numerator is now denominator and this denominator is now numerator. Okay, so we are going to switch the numerator and the denominators upside down. Okay, so in the same way what to do we have done in multiplication, that in cross multiplication we are going to follow that rule. For that rule, you know it, we can do cut the numerators. Okay, first fraction, second fraction, okay, like this, in the same symbol, like cross symbol, in this way and in this way. Okay, and upside down as well as we do in simplification. So right now this is 33 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3. So I'm going to cut, or I can say that I can divide the number 3 by 1. Okay, this 3 by cutting it from 3 timetable, I'm going to write it down like 3 ones are 3 and ones are 3. So 33 means 11. So right now the next number, which is the denominator here, 3 ones are 3. So we are going to cut the numerator and denominator by the same table. Do remember that. Okay. So right now the next thing, 1 and 2. This is no more possible because they are already simplified one. So I'm going to write it down like numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So numerator is 11 multiplied by 1 and denominator is 2 multiplied by 1. So right now 11 by 2, okay, and you know that this one is improper fraction. So I'm going to change this improper fraction into mixed number. This is the simplified form, or you can say in other words the lowest form. So right now I'm going to put the number 11 inside division symbol and the number 5 outside division symbol. And now I'm going to recall 5 timetable. 5 2s are 10. So 10 is over here. So by subtraction I will get the remainder 1. So 2 whole all over D is the main thing. Do remember that this one 2 number is 2 and the remainder is 1. So right now I can write this number as 5 whole 1 by 2. So you can check and confirm the number or mixed number by doing this thing, which I'm going to do with you guys. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So denominator check, denominator is 2. So denominator is 2 right now, but numerator is 11. So I have done the right thing. This is what I have checked and verified. So the answer is 5 whole 1 by 2, which is in the simplest or lowest form. Hope the whole procedure is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.